Welcome back again. See, in the last class we have worked out this fourth problem. So we have tried this fifth one. So this first case aij is equal to half into mod of minus 3i plus j. So we have found out the elements up to a22. So we have to find out the remaining elements. Okay, I will start from second row and third element a23. So let us continue from where I have left here. See, that is aij was given as half into mod of minus 3i plus j. Okay, mod of this. So that is a23. So we can substitute here half mod of minus 3 into 2 plus 3. Okay, so you simplify this. So it will be what? Minus 6 plus 3. Half into mod of minus 6 plus 3. So that is half into mod of minus 3. So mod of minus 3 is 3 only. So that will be 3 by 2. So this is second row and third element. So a23 is 3 by 2. So I am continuing from where I have left in the previous class. Okay, a23. Then I have to find out a24. See, a24. So that is half mod of minus 3 I means 2 plus j means 4. So half into minus 6 plus 4. So that is half into minus 2. So half into minus 2 means here mod of minus 2 is 2 only. So 2 by 2, that is what? 1. So a24 is equal to 1. a24 is equal to 1. Then let us go for a31, that is half into minus 3 I means 3 plus j means 1. So half into minus 9 plus 1, that is half into minus 8, mod of minus 8. So mod of minus 8 means 8 by 2, so that will be what? 4. So a31 is 4. Then a32. So a32 is equal to half into mod of minus 3 into 3 plus 2. That is half into minus 9 plus 2. So that is half into mod of minus 7. So that is what? 7 by 2. So a32 is equal to 7 by 2. Then we can consider next element here a33. So this is half into, see, minus 3i, I means 3 plus j means 3. Half into minus 9 plus 3. Half into minus 6. So mod of minus 6 is 6. So 6 by 2. So 6 by 2 will be what? 3. Then a34. So last element is a34 is equal to half into minus 3 into 3 plus 4. So that is half into minus 9 plus 4. Minus 9 plus 4. So half into mod of minus 5 here. So mod of minus 5 is 5. So I get what? 5 by 2. So now you replace all the elements. So we have to construct a 3 cross 4 matrix. See, 3 cross 4 matrix means what? A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, A33, so A34. So let us replace all the elements which we have worked out previously here. See, A11 was 1, A12 half, then this is 0. This one also we have worked out there, half. This is 5 by 2, then 2, 3 by 2, 1, 4, 7 by 2, 3, 5 by 2. So this is our required matrix. So we can complete this. See here. So I will take up this second example. Aij is equal to 2i minus j. So second one is Aij is equal to 2i minus j. So let us go on, work out here A11. So 2 into 1 minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 is equal to, see A11 is 1. So substitute the values here. Then A12, 2 into 1 minus j means what? 2. That is 2 minus 2, it is what? 0. So A12 is 0. Then A13, so that is 2 into 1 minus 3. See 2i minus j, that is 2 minus 3, 2 minus that is minus 1. Then next let us take up A14, that is 2 into 1 minus j is 4, so 2 minus 4, 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 2. Then let us come for second row here. A21 is 2i means 2, 2i minus j, 4 minus 1, that is 3. So A21 is 3. Next let us go for say A22. So that is 2i, I means 2, 2i minus j means what? 2. So 4 minus 2, so 4 minus 2 is 2. Then A23. So that is 2i, I means 2, 2i minus j, j means 3. 4 minus 3, it is 1. So A23 is equal to 1. And let us count this A24. 2i minus j. See 4 minus 4, that will be what? 0. Then let us consider the last row. A31, that is 2i minus j, 6 minus 1, that is 5. Okay. Then let us take A32, that is 2i means 2 into 3 minus 2, 6 minus 2, that is 4. Third row, second column, that is 4. Then A33 is equal to 2i minus j, that is 6 minus 3, that is what? 3. So third row, third element is 3. Then last element, let us work out the last element. A34 is equal to, so the given question was 2i minus j here. So 2 into 3 minus j means 4. 6 minus 4, that is 2. So third row, fourth element is 2. So we shall substitute all these in our matrix here. So what was our matrix here? See A11, A12, A13, A14, A21, A22, A23, A24, A31, A32, then A33 and A34. So I can put all the elements here. See first row is, so I can substitute all these which we have calculated here. So the matrix becomes, see I am going to substitute first row here, minus 1, minus 2, 3, 2, 1, 0, 5, 4, 3, So it is the required matrix of order 3 cross 4. So you can check each elements which we have worked out here. So you substitute at the end. So let's go back to the here. Go back to the question here. So all the questions have been covered here. So this one is over in the previous video. These two are worked out here. So this may be asked for 1 marks in part A. So this is exercise problem. These are very important. Okay, you go through the problems 1 or 2 times. We shall continue to cover some of the